This is a part 2 video of a lead acid battery. Now, last video I explained the construction of lead acid battery to some extent. Now, uh, also I explained the alternate cathode and anode parts. So, continuing that first the concept previous video, next point is to increase the current output of each cell, to increase efficiency or current output of the each cell, cathode plates which you have seen in the previous video diagram, cathode plates are joined together so the to increase output cathode plates are joined together, and so anode also follows the same thing, joined together. Of course, the electrodes are placed in an alternate manner. Alternate electrodes, that is cathode anode, is they are placed in the alternate manner. Here, the cells are connected in parallel, not in series. Understand that. Therefore, to have the output, to have the output voltage, -12 volt potential is used. This 12 volts corresponds to 6 cells connected in series, connected in parallel. Now, reactions. When the electrode the current is applied, then the electrode reactions that occur during discharge when the external circuit is closed, now what is the reaction? So, first what we will do is we will write the reactions pertaining to discharge. When current is applied, reactions which is happening at anode. So, in the previous diagram I said what is available at anode? Anode, lead is there. So, solid lead reacts with sulfate ion, giving lead sulfate plus 2 electron. At cathode, what happens is lead dioxide reacts with sulfate ion in the acidic medium, gaining an electron to form lead sulfate and water. So balance the hydrogen, you have to put 2H plus here. So once again oxygen, if you see oxygen, so here it is 4 plus 2 6, here 4 plus 2 6. So oxygen is balanced, which means here once again we have to change the hydrogen, we will get 4H plus. So electrons are cancelled, electrons are probably cancelled. Okay, here I should give 2 electrons because by mistake it happened. 4H plus is there, 2 negative, 2 electron negative, therefore 4. Okay, now you add these two equations, what will happen? If you add these two equations, first of all what will happen, understand, this electron will be cancelled first. Anything in common, equal and opposite you can cancel. So what is the overall equation during discharge? Lead plus lead dioxide plus, so here also 2 should come, na? Sulfate. Okay, I am sorry, here only one sulfate should come. So therefore Pb plus PbO2 plus 4H plus 2SO4 2 minus, giving you 2 PbSO4, because 1 plus 1 2, 2 PbSO4 plus 2H2O. So this is the equation during discharge.